Hello, welcome back to the channel. Happy Money Monday. So since I am on my weight loss journey, I want to share with you a way to get paid to lose weight. It is called healthywage.com. And I have came across this website ever since 2021. But I was just too scared to put my money up because I see why. Because I wasn't consistent with my weight loss. I was losing weight. But at the same time, I was not changing my lifestyle. My mindset was not there. I was just thinking about the aesthetic of weight loss and not the lifestyle mindset change of the weight loss. But if you are ready and you are 100% ready with your mind, body, and soul, everything is in sync and ready to lose this weight, I suggest healthywage.com. What this is you put up an amount of money that you want to put down. So basically, you're betting on yourself to lose weight. So for example, if you was to say, I want to lose 50 pounds. I want to lose 50 pounds, right? And I want to do that within 6 to 18 months or however many months you feel like doing it. Let's just say you're going to do it for 6 months. So I'm going to lose 50 pounds, 6 months, and I'm going to bet, I don't know, let's say $100. I'm going to bet $100. So you have to put $100 down today, like right now. But if you lose the 100 pounds within 6 months, you will get $653 to $1,422 back within 6 months. You will get your money back plus more. And that is how you make your money from losing weight. You bet on yourself. And I think the concept of this is, okay, well, if they're putting their own money down, that will make them want to, because you will lose money if you don't lose weight. But if you lose the weight, you will get your money back plus the money that you have won. All right. So it says calculate your prize, make your bet, lose the weight, and win the money. It's that simple. It is that simple. People may say it's too good to be true, but it's not, because you are betting your own money. They make their money from people that don't lose the weight. So if you decide to choose to do this, make sure you are absolutely ready. Because if you're not ready, you're going to lose your money. But, yeah. And they have other challenges where you could win 10K, 8K. Yeah. This is a really good challenge. A really good way to be serious about your weight loss. It's called healthywage.com.